Raw diets and fresh homemade feeding have become increasingly popular choices among pet parents searching for the healthiest way to feed their companions. Unlike dry and canned dog foods, which use a high heat process that destroys most of the nutrients and enzymes in the food, raw and fresh diets contain an abundance of naturally occurring vitamins, minerals, and amino acids that are key to providing your dog with the best nutrition. Simply put, pet parents know that feeding fresh ingredients is closer to what nature intended for our dogs. Pet parents report that feeding raw and homemade diets can result in more energy and vitality, healthier skin and coat, improved digestion and fresher breath, relief from common allergies caused by food intolerances, healthier body weight, and so much more. However, creating a raw diet for your companion dog can be surprisingly tricky, messy, and time-consuming, and often attempts come up short on nutrition. We created Raw Vibrance to take the prep work and guesswork out of making a balanced, nutritious, raw, and homemade diet. The 24 amazing whole foods that make up Raw Vibrance serve as the nutritional foundation of a raw diet. Raw Vibrance includes 9 vegetables, 2 antioxidant-rich fruits, 2 energy-packed seeds, bone meal and crushed eggshells for calcium, and 9 other immune-boosting superfoods. These ingredients have been carefully chosen to include the calcium, vitamins, minerals, and enzymes needed to create a balanced meal for your companion. Raw Vibrance is so easy to use. Simply add hot water to rehydrate the Raw Vibrance base mix. Next, add your own high-quality raw or lightly cooked meat. Then, add oil for healthy fats. That's it. A complete and balanced raw meal in just minutes. If you're already feeding one of Dr. Harvey's incredible base mixes, Raw Vibrance could be a great addition to your dog's diet. You can use Raw Vibrance in rotation with any of our other base mixes, and your dog will love the variety. If you are not comfortable using raw meat or feel it's not right for your companion dog, don't worry, you can lightly cook the meat that you add to Raw Vibrance. We've chosen only the finest ingredients to put in Raw Vibrance, and as with all of Dr. Harvey's products, we know Raw Vibrance is going to be great for your dog.